beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, today is my first video for 2021, and today we are going to be reviewing Neesha 201. And yes, y'all, I know she was all the rage in 2020, but let me tell y'all something. I got her on a Black Friday sale, and I just had to snatch her up because I already had Neesha 202. I reviewed her one time before, so I was like, yes, I need to get Neesha 201 because I said I wanted another Neesha wig, and what better way to get her than catching her on sale? I'm like, yes, I had to snatch her up, y'all, because she is just too pretty. I'm really loving her. But let me go ahead and tell y'all the claims of this wig. She is Neesha Soft and Natural Lace Front Wig, and she is from Outre, and she has natural texture and volume. And y'all, she does have natural texture and volume. Like, she is giving me natural hair vibes. She is giving me like if you was to go to a salon and get like a blowout, and you know you letting your long natural hair hang and it's looking all beautiful and healthy. That is the kind of vibes that she is giving me. And she has pre-plucked Swiss lace, and she is heat resistant up to 400 degrees, but I wouldn't want to put any heat to this right here because I think she's pretty just the way she is. And her name is Neesha 201, and she comes in the color 1B. And this is how she's looking on the stock card. And she does come in a variety of colors. And some of the colors she come in is DRFF2 Cinnamon Spice, and she also comes in a DRFF Cherry Black. But I am really loving the naturalness of this wig, y'all. I am really feeling Neesha 201 right here. I really like her, y'all. Cause I've been wanting, y'all just don't know how long I've been wanting this wig right here, because you know I didn't have enough for it at first. I'm like, I'm gonna go ahead, you know, I'm gonna save up my coins so I can go ahead and get her. And now I'm so glad that I caught her on sale, and I finally got her. So y'all, this is the way we break it in 2021 over here. So if you're not a part of the beautiful sunshine gang, y'all need to go ahead and become a part of the crew. Y'all need to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so y'all won't miss out on my videos, because y'all, I got some more videos coming y'all way. Y'all just gonna have to wait and see. But I'm gonna give y'all an up close of Neesha, okay? This is how Neesha is looking up close. Y'all, just look, just get into this texture right here. And this is the hairline. Okay, y'all, I really don't have anything bad to say about Neesha 201. She did do some shading when I was combing her, but I just believe that's because when I was plucking a parting space and I was combing her out, I believe that's the reason why she was shading. She does have ear-to-ear lace. She fits comfortable on my head. So I have enough room in this wig right here. And just to let y'all know, I did relax my hair, so that is probably why she is fitting better on my head than the wigs was before, because I remember when I was natural, like the wigs was fitting tight, but this wig is fitting real good, and I am feeling myself, y'all. Like, Happy New Year. This is how we are breaking in 2021. And like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting the videos. And that is it. And I will see y'all next time.